I make the best grilled buffalo chicken wings, and I totally cheat because I doctor up Frank's Red Hot wing sauce with a couple of ingredients. They turn out amazing. Let me show you how I make them. Mix butter, Frank's Red Hot buffalo wing sauce, honey, apple cider vinegar, and Tabasco sauce. Cook until it reaches a boil, then remove the sauce from the heat. Salt and pepper your chicken wings. Begin grilling your wings. They cook about 10 to 15 minutes depending on the size. When the wings are almost done, brush half of the wing sauce on both sides of the chicken wings to coat them. Grill the wings a bit longer to allow the sauce to really cook into them. Once the wings are fully cooked, remove them from the grill. Toss the grilled chicken wings with the remaining of the buffalo sauce for a thick coating. These are finger-licking good. You are going to love them. For a splash of color, garnish with jalapeno slices. For the full recipe with additional cooking tips, please visit aforkstale.com.